Smile and learn.
Hello, everyone. I'm finishing a poem to celebrate my parents' anniversary. I think that poetry is a great way to express myself. Do you want to see how I did it? But first of all, do you know what a poem is?
I do. A poem is a type of literature or artistic writing that uses words to generate and share emotions and feelings through different literary devices.
Very good, Smiley. To show you the characteristics and elements of a poem, I will read you the one I wrote for my parents. Every morning when I wake, I see the life you both create. You laugh, you smile, you sing a song. With you, I feel like I belong. Your love is strong, it never fades, like sunny days and lemonade. You hug me tight, you're never mean, even when you eat all the ice cream. Not bad, right? These are some of the main characteristics and elements of poems: lines, stanzas, rhyme, rhythm, and meter. Let's look at my poem to understand them better. Lines. We write poems in lines, also called verses. A line is a single row of words in a poem. I used 8 lines in my poem. See them? Stanza. A group of lines is called a stanza. It's like a paragraph, but for poems. In my poem, I wrote 2 stanzas. Rhyme. There are many types of rhyme. The most common is words that end in the same sound, or that have the same strong vowel. To know if words rhyme, it helps to say them out loud and ask, do they sound similar? In my poem, song sounds like belong. These words look and sound the same, so they rhyme. Same with wake and create, but they don't look the same. That's why it's important to say the words out loud and listen to hear if they sound the same. Sometimes words don't rhyme though, and that's okay. Not all poems rhyme. Rhythm. Rhythm is like the beat of a drum. It's the patterns of sounds that make you want to tap your feet or clap your hands. In poems, rhythm comes from the way the words sound together. It's like the heartbeat of the poem. Listen to this. Every morning when I wake, I see the life you both create. You laugh, you smile, you sing a song. With you, I feel like I belong. Can you feel that beat? That's the rhythm of the poem, just like a song. The words, line separation, and punctuation marks help create the rhythm of my poem. Meter. Meter is rhythm's best friend. It's the pattern of stressed and unstressed syllables in a line of poetry. Every poem has its own meter, which tells us how many beats or syllables are in a line. Think of it like a ruler that measures syllables of words. Here's how it works. Listen. Your love is strong, it never fades, like sunny days and lemonade. Do you hear how some syllables are stronger or louder? Those are stressed syllables. The softer ones are unstressed syllables. In these lines, we have a pattern that sounds like da-dum, 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 da-dum. That's a common meter called iambic, but don't worry about the big words. Just remember, meter is the pattern that gives a poem its beat. Now you know. These are some important things to remember when writing poems. I encourage you to think of an emotion or message that you want to express and write a poem about it. Use some of these tools you've learned. See you next time!
We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.